I'm going to grossly abuse a C-Sert for you. This is a contest. The contestants are, in this hand, a C-Sert, and in this hand, a grade 8 bolt. The referee, if you want to call him that, the thing in the middle, is a large socket. Here's how it works. I take the bolt, put it through the socket, and then turn it into the C-Sert. Once it's snug down, I start cranking on it. What I'm doing is stretching the bolt. I'm over torquing it. This is something that I'm sure some of your customers do in a careless moment from time to time. At some point, something is going to have to give. Something is going to fail. And either it's going to be the bolt or it's going to be the C-Sert. Anyway, at C-Sert, we put a lifetime warranty on our C-Serts. That means no thread wear, no back out, no pull out, ever. The one thing I hope that you guys will remember from this short video is that C-Serts are permanent. No other brand of thread repair on the market can do what you just saw. That's it, and thanks a lot.